All right. Hello, my fellow friends. So we're going to be going over how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. Now, this is very easy to do. I'm going to try to make it extremely quick to show you. Yeah, it's not complicated. So I'm using Binance. You can use any exchange or any exchange that where you can buy and sell crypto. With Bybit or with Binance, you can buy directly with crypto or credit card, sorry, and you can actually also use a third-party payment provider, so which would also accept a card or different kinds of cards. So depending on your card, I like to use the third-party payment provider. We're going to go with that one. You want to make sure your account's verified, guys. That's actually the first thing I want to mention. So before you can buy, before you can trade, this is like a bank account, right? So if your account is not verified, then you can't trade, you can't buy Bitcoin, and the rest of it. I don't know what they've changed since I made my account, but you need account verification. Right here, it'll show me that my account is verified, right here, verified. And yeah, so you need to do that. Basically, you just upload your driver's license, your passport, whatever it is, and then there's like a 24-hour wait period or something like that, and they'll verify it, and then you can buy crypto. You're on your way. So once you've done that, you go up here, buy crypto. Third-party payment provider, that's my favorite because of their options. They sometimes have deals, right? And you can literally see which one will give you the best deal. If you type in $1,000, not 10,000, 1,000. Bada bing, bada boom. Right here, simplex. We're gonna do simplex. There's actually supposed to be more showing here. I'm not sure where they went, but yeah. So here it'll show what the best bang for my buck is at the time, depending on the fees of each one, right? So we're gonna go with simplex. I totally agree with everything that I haven't read, and I press continue. So at the next page here, I believe this is where we put in our card information. Yes, so we put in card information. For fast checkout, choose one of your saved cards. Oh, it's actually using a different card that I've used before in the past. Okay, well anyways, so card details are here. I won't type in any of this. You guys will be using another card, obviously. Type in all that information here. Billing address right here. Contact details right here. I'm going to skip over this part, just so you guys can not see my personal information. I'll be right back. Alright, so now I press pay now. Let's see where this takes us. And yeah, keep in mind different exchanges have different fees and things like that. But this is really how easy it is to buy crypto. You have an exchange, you can buy crypto. Your payment request has been approved. You should be receiving 1,000 Canadian dollars. Cool, so this is going straight into my AI Forex bot. I'm pretty stoked about that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions on how to buy crypto or you're confused about crypto or anything, just let me know. And I will fill you in. Yeah, that's really all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Wanted to make it quick. If you're not buying Bitcoin, you should be. That's all I'll say about that. And for more reasons than one. If you're following the financial markets, you understand the power of crypto. You understand the power of what's going on. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys later and have yourselves all an awesome one.